What dog breed is this?
No. Wiener Schnitzel.
Yes.
What is this?
One.
Well,
Gold.
what is it? Okay, gold.
Gold.
Golden Doodle.
Yeah, good
Oh.
job from you.
Oh. Donut, peanut, beard, man.
The last part is right, but start here.
Doe. What's Doe beer? Doberman.
It's, what'd you say? Yeah.
Doberman.
Ah.
Don't worry.
What was the first thing there? Crate.
What dog breed ends in bull?
Pitbull.
There you go.
Got one.
Doe.
Pomeranian.
Yeah, nice.
Is that a Finland?
It's not Finland.
Thumbs up.
Swedish?
What's like another word for thumbs up? Like what are you doing? You're saying like,
Oh.
if you give someone a thumbs up, you're saying,
Okay.
Good job.
okay, what's another word for good? Better than good.
Great.
Dane.
Yeah, there we
Danish
go.
Put me out. English.
It's not England.
It's not English. No.
French.
It's not French.
I don't know apparently my country flags here.
What is
shepherd.
this? Yeah, there you go.
German Shepherd.
It's not Germany.
English Shepherd.
Not English.
So Australian Shepherd.
Shepherd.
Yeah, there we go.
How did we not know that?
Hey, you know what? Sometimes
Corgi.
Corgi.
it's not corgi. What's on the corn?
Cob.
Not cob. What?
Husky.
There we go.
Are you letting me win?
Nope.
You not win.
Pea beer.
It's not beer.
Pug.
Yeah, there we go.
I think you're on your last one. Wine? No, Shan.
Corgi.
Yeah, good job.
Oh, there we go.
We got some catching to do.
Beagle.
Yeah.
Beagle.
Beagle is correct.
Dang it. Boxer. Boxer.
Yeah, that's right.
Just a boxer.
Yes,
That's
like,
it.
say it with your